The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
And welcome to Phil's Gang. Okay, so it's Friday, and quite a week. And a lot of things happened this week. Most people don't even know about because they mask it. The fake financial news networks, these cable networks. I keep telling you, be aware. All you hear is about the fake news for politics, but it's even worse when it comes to your finances. You're being lied to every day. I hate to say that. I really do. You know, believe me, I get bad emails. They say I'm negative, I'm wrong about the economy. But let's think about the economy. What is the economy? It's borrowing. When we hear how great the economy is, it just makes no sense. How can the economy be great when for the last 10 years we have not been able to hit an annual GDP growth rate? We have not been able to grow the economy in the last 10 years, just a lousy 3%. What are you, nuts? 3%? 10 years. We haven't been able to do it. So how can you say the economy's terrific? How can you say the economy is terrific when the biggest employer in this country is healthcare with lousy paying jobs? $17,000 to $38,000. Let's round it off, $40,000 compared to manufacturing. That's where all the big. We should have 16 million people in manufacturing. That's where you get paid $48,000, $78,000. It just drives me nuts. Everyone tells us how great the economy is. But you know, people know it's not. The average guy on Main Street's getting screwed every day because they're stealing money from him. The CEO of your company keeps stealing your money. You're not getting a wage increase because he keeps going in and taking the money to set aside for your wage increase, and he goes and he buys stock. So he can push the stock of the company higher. Because companies aren't doing well. So the only way they make it look like a company's doing well is they purchase more of their own stock. So when they come out with their earnings, they're spreading their lousy earnings over far fewer stocks, which pushes up their earnings. It's all fake. And that pushes up their stock price. And people think, oh, wow, look at this. The economy's doing great. Look at the stock market. But it's not. It's all phony. It's all fake. Because remember, when they keep buying their own shares, these CEOs, the fewer shares they have outstanding that you and I can trade, when the earnings season comes, they spread their earnings over the fewer shares, which makes up for their lousy performance. People don't know that. People don't see that. But the economy is credit. The economy's credit. The stock market is going up on credit. Because the stock market, large corporations, we've never in the history of this country ever seen large corporations in debt like this. But the fake financial news networks aren't going to tell you that. Corporate debt is historic highs because they keep, for 10 years, they keep borrowing that money because it's almost free to buy their own shares so they can manipulate and cheat to make their earnings look better. That pushes up their stock, and then the jibber jabbers make you think, hey, the stock market looks good, so the economy's got to be doing great. It's not. You know, I listened last night to this. Listen, oh, and by the way, before I forget, everything is being purchased not with wages. All the purchasing, whether it's a car or a new kitchen or a snowmobile or a watermobile or whatever everybody is using credit. So when they say how terrific our economy is, I wish somebody would explain to people, yes, if people were making good wages and they were buying stuff not on credit cards or not on time, going and buying furniture or no payments down for the first year, interest-free for the first year, that kind of garbage, our economy is not growing 3%. Our economy, when they say things are terrific, people are doing great, that's because people think they're doing great because they got another credit card. The more credit cards they got, they think everything's fine. As long as it's like a guy looks in his checking account. As long as he's got checks in his book, he thinks, well, I got plenty of money in my checking account. Look, I got checks left. But people don't understand they're debt slaves. Our owners who are getting 85% of the wealth in this country, think about it. Our owners are picking up 85% of the wealth in the stock market. When the stock market gained 12 trillion, when Trump got into office in November 2016, everybody went nuts and they were all buying because health care was going to be repealed, Obamacare was going to be repealed. We were going to have all kinds of road construction going on, and the stock market kept going up and up and up. Not that the economy was doing better, not that companies were making more profits. It was going up on the promise of what he was going to do. So it went up. It went up $6 trillion. $6 trillion. The value in the market increased $6 trillion under him between the time he got in November 2016 to when the market stopped going up October 2018. $6 trillion. And he'll tell you it was because of him. But what did you get out of it? Main Street. You got nothing. 85% of that went to the top 1 percentile of the country. So take $6 trillion, 85% of that, $6 trillion, went to everybody except you. Went to a small group of people. So last night I'm listening to this guy, this congressman, a Republican, talking about he was listening to, you see Trump's rally? Wow. You see the people that was there? Incredible. Boy, the Democrats, no wonder the Democrats want to impeach him. They can't beat him. They know that. That's why they want to impeach him. But listen to what this guy said.
But I think the way things are going right now, this president is doing a bang-up job. He really, really is. The economy is going to be hard to beat. You remember the old saying from a few years ago, it's the economy, stupid. And I think people vote for their wallets and their paychecks. And we've got this record unemployment. Wages have gone way up. And it is an amazing economy.
Well, first of all, that's a lie. Wages haven't gone way up. That's a total lie. Total lie, because first of all, most of our employers are in the healthcare industry, but wages haven't gone up. They're not going up. And what little wage increase you get, if you get a 3.1% wage increase this year, that's about 8 cents an hour. But when you go back and take healthcare alone, your healthcare increase, what it's costing you, okay, your health care increase and your auto loans and your school loans, that's 18 cents. You don't even keep up with it. Housing keeps going up 6, so you get a 3.1% increase in wages, but housing cost is going up 6%, and that's why people can't buy homes and everybody's renting. And that's why housing has dropped 50%. They're all full of garbage, all crap. Now, again, what he's thinking as a Republican, things are great or terrific. Well, he's right. As long as people can get access to credit. As long as they can have 5, 6 credit cards. I go over to Starbucks in the morning, right across from my office here. And people pull out their wallets. I don't, they must have a hernia. When they pull their wallets out, it's amazing. The credit cards, they're in their wallets. They're so thick. They're the size of a brick. It's unbelievable. So they think the economy's good as long as they got that plastic. We'll be right back after this break. And some stocks.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600 With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
We're speaking with Jared Douglas. He's a licensed mortgage loan originator, and his company's called Cash Call Mortgage. Let me give you his number, 949-535-9385, or you can go to cashcallmortgage.com. Jared, I want to thank you. The service you gave us was incredible. Why don't you explain a little bit when you say how you specialize in alternative products for self-employed applicants?
Yes, thank you, Phil. Thanks for having me on. So what we specialize in is an alternative product for applicants who are self-employed. We have a product for applicants that are, have a lot of assets but no documentable income, and then we have another version for, real estate investors. So there's three versions of our alternative approach or alternative product that helps people with, outside-the-box scenarios get financing.
Again, let me give you his number, 949-535-9385, 949-535-9385, or you can go to cashcallmortgage.com.
Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Let's go to our stock corner, and we'll take a look at some of the stocks our members are involved in, okay?
Stock Corner is brought to you by Boyd Investigative Group.
Okay, Stock Corner. Now, we have our members. We have a portfolio for our members. And I want to just show you, and this is using our color-coded chart. This tells us when to buy stock, tells us when to add to our positions, tells us when to take some of our stock off of our position. Because we don't pay attention to fundamentals of a company because they're all fake anyways. They're all fake, okay, fundamentals. The only thing that's really important is money. If money is going into a stock, now I don't mean from mom and pop. I mean the big hedge funds, the big insurance companies, the largest banks. That's what you follow. And over the last 10 years, I designed a chart with our algorithms, my own algorithm. We designed a chart. It's red and yellow. I mean, it's red and green, red and green. Red tells you that they're pulling their money out. We got an opportunity to make money as the stock goes down. This is key. The entire stock market in the last 50 years have made you scared to death. They don't want you to sell a stock short. The reason, the only way they make money, Wall Street, is for you to buy a stock. When you sell a stock short, they don't make any money. They don't make a commission because you're selling a stock. If a stock's you think a stock's at $20 and you think it's going to go down, we sell it short at 20, it goes down to 10, we make money. Wall Street doesn't make any money when we're shorting. That's why they always make sure you never short stocks. And they always tell you to cost average down, which is so dangerous, so dangerous. When your stock is going down from 30 to 20 to 10, they keep telling you, buy more of it, cost average down. That is absolutely nuts. But based on our color-coded chart, we have a portfolio, a certain portfolio. Like, for example, we have 5 stocks, brand stocks, Caterpillar, Goldman Sachs, Intel, Schlumberger, AT&T for over 3 years. People say, well, why are you staying in the same stock? Well, why not? These are brand stocks, a lot of liquidity. Big institutions buy these. And when they pull their money out, we'll short it. Give you an example. Schlumberger. When Schlumberger, they're putting their money in, we made like 12% return. Now they just started to pull their money out in September, and we're short. We have a return of 5%. Well, let's do October 1. Since October 1, a 5% return, selling it short. What's wrong with that? In October this year, October 14th, we just started a short Caterpillar. We have a 3% return. That's October 14th. We're at October 18th. We already have a 3% return. Take a look at our Netflix. We started to short that October 7th. Short. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. CAG. Wrong one. Short. We have 11% return. We started to short that on 9/30. Netflix. We went long on Netflix. We bought that on October 7th. Today's October 18th. And we have so far right now about an 8% return. And how we do that is by following the money. That makes sense, doesn't it? Following the institutional money. How can you not think that doesn't make sense? I mean, to listen to somebody talk about a stock is insane, is nuts. When they tell you to buy a stock based on some fundamental of the company, that's insane. Insane. So, again, if you join my gang, you're going to get a great experience because for the first time, not only are you going to make money when a stock goes up, you're going to make money when a stock goes down. But what you're going to find, it's just as easy going from a position that's where you're buying to where you get out and then you sell short. And stocks go down 10 times faster than they go up. And that's why when a market corrects or crashes, it's a wonderful thing. My members look forward to it. They can't wait till this market crashes. Now, this market, remember, for 1 year has been going nowhere. Been going nowhere. We're getting very little volatility for 1 year. The market has stopped dead. It stopped dead because the economy has stopped dead. And the stock buybacks to try to push the stock market up even more. Remember, we're up 350% since 2008 crash. And the reason we're up 350%, we're not going any higher, it's all fake. It was all propped up through stock buybacks. Profit without prosperity. Stock buybacks destroys your economy from within. Because the only ones that are making money are the very top 1 percentile. They're picking up 85% of the stock market profits. The regular guy in Main Street, he's getting screwed. Not only is he not making money in the market, and if he's in a 401k, he's going, whatever money he made, he's going to give it all back, but he's not getting wages. Now, let's talk about this for a minute. When we hear how great the economy is,
But I think the way things are going right now, this president is doing a bang-up job. He really, really is. The economy is going to be hard to beat. You remember the old saying from a few years ago, it's the economy, stupid. Mm-hmm. And I think people vote for their wallets and their paychecks, and we've got this record unemployment. Wages have gone way up.
Okay, first of all, we don't have record unemployment because they're lying to us because they don't count back in. Remember when Trump was a candidate? He said, when it was 6% unemployment, he says it's phony. He says 18, 20% because they don't count back. If you push back in, the people they're not counting, called discouraged workers, the real unemployed. Remember, there's millions of people that aren't working. They don't count. They push them aside so it looks better. And Trump, do you remember that when he was running? He said they're lying to you. Our unemployment rate's really 18%. Then when he became president, he stopped saying that. Now all of a sudden, oh no, it's real now because I'm president. He said it hasn't changed. I'm going to talk more about that and some more stocks when I get back. That's why you should join my gang. Because you're not going to care if market goes up or down. You're going to sleep like a baby. And you're going to help St. Jude at the same time. That'll make you feel good, too. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
We make sure our gang members are positioned to sell the market short with the same ease as going long. So you join the gang for $39.95, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You decide when you join the gang of our membership group what you want to follow. So let's say you decide you want to start following gold. Okay, so let's say you're going to follow AU. And by the way, we started to buy AU on May 30th. We're up 89%. We're there every day to tell our members what to do. At 2 o'clock, there's the video. Or if you want to be aggressive and you want to be a real trader, just come to my class every day from 9:30 to 11. That's your choice. If you get confused, you get a hold of us. You have your own personal coach, for God's sakes. And if you do exactly what we tell you in that video every day, you'll be making money consistent.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com and give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. So the economy that they're calling is a great economy. It's only great as long as people can get enough credit to keep buying stuff. But our economy is not growing to 3%. On an annual basis, we have not hit 3% growth in 10 years. So when they say the economy is growing, they're lying. I mean, just look at the math this year here. Our first quarter, we were at 3.1% growth. The second quarter, we dropped to 2%. The third quarter, we're down to 1.5% to 2%. So 3, 2, 1. How is that growing? What school did they go to? What are they nuts? What kind of school do these people go to? When they say the economy is growing like a rocket ship.
Our economy is surging along. It's surging.
This guy Payne better go back to school. He better go back to grammar school. He's bold-faced lying to you. He knows it's not growing, but he can't say that if he wants to keep his job. None of these people can say that because the people that control them, there's only now about 6 outlets. It used to be 36 news outlets, but the 1 percentile, or the 1/100th of 1%, which is about 2,800 of those human beings, they control what we hear, what we see. because they control the media. I mean, look at who bought the Washington Post, one of the 1/100th of 1%. But Bezos, he bought the Washington. So all of them make sure, remember, these guys make all their money as long as the stock market goes up. And it's gone up 350%. It's the best place in the world to be. But in the last 12 months, it stopped going up. Yes, we got volatility. We go down and go up a little bit, then back down. We're in this range for a year. Sure, it's harder to make money, but it's telling you to stay in the market, because if this market crashes, it's going to be a huge crash, and we always make sure our members are positioned to take advantage when stocks go down as well as going up. If some miracle, I don't know how they're going to get the market to go up anymore. There's no ammo left. The central banks don't have any ammo anymore. They've already brought rates down so they can loan money to companies to buy their own shares to push the stock up for the last 10 years. But here's the real problem with our country. Healthcare. Instead of impeaching Trump, they should be talking about healthcare. There should be a revolt in Washington. There should be busloads and busloads of people going to Washington every day, going to Commerce, say, work on healthcare, work on jobs. But people don't. You want to know why? Because they have a credit card. As I said, I go to Starbucks every morning over here, right across from my office. And I can't believe when they flip open their wallet, most of the people are about 3-4 inches taller than they are now. They're shrinking. Do you notice people are shrinking in the United States? You didn't know that, but they are. They're shrinking. Because why? They got so much weight they're carrying around with these wallets with all these credit cards. So people think as long as I can go out and use a credit card, or I can go to a furniture store and not make my first payment for 6 months, or go get a snowmobile and not make a payment for the first 6 months, or zero interest for the first year, they think everything's great. But here's what you need to know. Healthcare is killing this country, and nobody's working on it. Remember how we're supposed to get it appealed? That's what's killing our economy, but nobody's talking about it. This is where the Congress should be, right here. This is where they should be every day, because healthcare industry is the biggest employer of our country. 16 million people. They pay lousy wages, $17,000 to $38,000 a year. Manufacturing is where least of our workers are, where $48,000 to $78,000 a year you make. Something is wrong there. Companies, think about this. The high cost of healthcare is killing our economy. It's 18% of our economic growth. It's 25% of our budget, for God's sakes, our annual budget. Don't you understand that? It's hard for our country to compete. This is why we're not growing to 3%, because half of our population gets their health insurance through their employers. But there's the other half that doesn't. All the other countries, remember, all the health care goes through their government. But we don't want socialized medicine, for God's sakes. What do you want? These crazy Democrats out there, these communists who want us to take over our health care? No. But the Republicans aren't working on it. Nobody's working on repealing Obamacare, nor the Democrats. We should have busloads going to Washington. But no, as long as the guy's got a credit card in his wallet, he can go buy something. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. What are you, nuts? If you think about this, healthcare spending has increased at a faster rate of growth than our economy. Healthcare spending $4 trillion a year in healthcare. That's what we're spending. That's 19% of our economic growth. But here's the problem, because it's 19% of our economic growth. Households are all adjusting. They're spending less on food. They're spending less on clothing. They're spending less on household items. No, they're not. No, they're not. Because they got credit cards. See, if they didn't have credit cards, they wouldn't be spending on food and clothing. Then they'd be on a bus to Washington having a riot. But because as long as they can get another credit card, as long as they can go down to a car dealer and buy a car, no matter what their credit is, people would say, hey, I'm living pretty well. I'm living well. Until the crash happens. But nobody wants to think about it. It's like a toothache. Everybody's already forgot about the dot-com crash. Everybody's forgot about the 1987 crash. Never mind the dot-com crash, the housing crash. Nobody remembers those. We're worse off now. But understand what's going on. The consequences are severe. We have not hit a GDP growth rate of 3%. Your wages aren't going up. All you're doing, if you get a little wage increase, you're catching up when you got screwed back in from 2007 to 2010 during the recession. You're not getting ahead. Healthcare is killing us, and nobody's fixing it. So yes, the people who are smart, who are not using credit cards for everything, they're feeling it because they're spending less on food. They're spending less on clothing. Household items, they're not buying that new sofa. They're not buying a new lawnmower. But that's very few people. As long as the guy's got a credit card, he's going to buy those items. No matter, he'll pay one credit card off for the other credit card. Health spending is nuts. It's crowding out the spending. See, all that spending on health care, we should be taking that money and the government should be spending it on education. Because when you educate your people, you're going to be a more productive country when people are educated. We should be spending money on infrastructure, our bridges, our roads. Hell, you go across a bridge, everybody's on a summer vacation. When you check, you go on vacation. Do I have a car? Is my gas? Did I change my oil? Do I have fresh oil? Yeah. My light's working? Yeah. Now you got to say, do we have parachutes? Do we have parachutes? Yeah, you got to have a parachute when you go on vacation because you don't know what bridge you're going to go over. It's going to collapse. It's going to collapse. So you got to jump out. You got to have a parachute. Our roads are embarrassing. And people don't come from the United States companies to build a new company here. They go to Canada, where roads are fantastic. So let's think about what healthcare is doing. Healthcare is killing our education. Healthcare is killing our jobs. And look at the states. They're getting killed by Medicaid. They're spending so fast. All their tax revenues getting eaten up. Their budgets are all getting eaten by Medicaid. Where do they go get money? They go to the federal government. That's you and me. But see, as long as everybody's got a credit card, nobody cares. As long as they see the stock market going up, nobody cares. But I'm going to tell you right now, the biggest employer in this country, unfortunately, is healthcare. It should be manufacturing, but nobody cares. But everybody will care again when the market crashes. And that's why I want you to join my gang. Because when the market does crash, you're going to love it. If it doesn't crash, you're going to love it. You win either way. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang so you win either way.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativeGroup.com.
License number A1900020.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, this week, remember I said I needed 10 people to follow me with gold and gold mining stocks, and we started that. So, again, if you join the gang, if you're one of those folks, just keep following us. Every day at 2 o'clock, we post our stocks. I mean, you can follow whatever stock you want, but I'm just suggesting if you just joined the gang with my MV2 color-coded chart, follow gold, because we got a great opportunity either way. Either way, if it goes down, we're going to have a great opportunity. If it goes back up, because the dollar, the dollar right now is falling, but gold isn't rising. But you got to be careful. Remember, when the dollar drops, gold always goes up. But it's not happening right now because they just reversed engineered the 10-year Treasury yield and the 3-month Treasury. Trump was so scared of what's going on that there's going to be a recession that finally the plunger team, they went in and they reversed it. Remember, for 5 months, you can get more interest on a 3-month Treasury than you can a 10-year Treasury. When that happens, for 50 years, people have looked at the 3-month and the 10-year Treasury as guidance for a recession. It's never been wrong in 50 years. When you're going to get more interest on 3 months than you do 10 years, that's called an inversion. The reason they give you more interest in a shorter period of time, because it means the economy we're currently in is very bad. So Trump had the boys reverse it. And how they reverse it, he couldn't get Powell to drop interest rates, remember? He couldn't get Powell to drop interest rates. So what he did, he had the boys force Powell to sell treasuries that moved the yields back up. So now the 10-year is higher than the 3-month. So now they're saying, oh, look at this. There's no inversion. But the truth is this. Until our Congress fixes health care, but they're too busy impeaching, until our Congress stops with stock buybacks, which is creating an artificial stock market, which has stopped going up after 10 years. Until they do those things, we're screwed. They continue to mask every warning. These fake financial news networks, whether it's Fox or whether it's CNBC, Bloomberg, they fake all the warnings. They mask them. Especially, think about the bond market. The bond market, the yields have contracted 40% since 2018. That's telling you the economy sucks. It's going to crash. But how have they been able to hold the economy up from crashing? Through stock buybacks. But that's all going to end because, see, all the central banks, like our central bank, the Federal Reserve, all running out of ammo. They're looking back. We're in a war for 10 years, and there's no more bullets. We have contracting yields, contracting earnings growth, contracting employment growth, including negative housing starts we just got for September, negative durable goods orders, negative manufacturing orders, negative construction spending, but they point to the stock market. And as long as you can go to the store and you can put something on your credit card, you don't care. You don't care. You don't believe it. You listen to these guys on CNBC and it's, oh, they're right. So the jibber jabbers keep trying to take parking space in your head. They keep providing you fake narrative. The economy is healthy and wonderful and expanding. And anybody that has a bunch of credit cards and they go down and get access credit from their banks for a new automobile or boat or whatever, they believe CNBC. They believe Fox. Look, I just bought a brand new boat. I just bought a brand new Harley. Oh, we just added on to our kitchen. So they got to be right. The economy's got to be good. Look what I'm doing. But it's all debt. You're a debt slave. And what you don't realize, as you are a debt slave and you keep doing this, you keep borrowing and buying, the dollars in your wallet are depreciating. The purchasing power is going down. So when you got to pay that debt back, as they had to do in 1987, as they had to do in the dot-com crash, as they had to do in the housing crash, when you got to pay your debt back, there's a problem. The dollars in your wallet don't have the purchasing power because the price is going up and up and up because of the demand. Not because you got savings. Not because you're making more dollars. It's your job. It's our owners. They're screwing you. They keep on providing cheap money. They keep trying to cut rates back to zero. Look at Trump. He's begging them, go back to zero, go back to zero. That's not the solution to grow the economy. If that was the solution, then why in the hell are we still not at 3% for 10 years? Somebody tell me. Every time they keep talking about go back to zero, and I love Trump. I think Trump's done a great job. But he's got bad advisors. If anybody's going to kill him and not get reelected, it's going to be Larry Kudlow, Steve Moore, and Laffer, the three stooges. He listens to them. It's a shame. He listens to them. They're dopes, and he listens to three dopes. But our owners and all this cheap money they give us, they keep trying to cut these rates back to zero. That's not the solution to grow the economy. It hasn't been for 10 years. It's right in front of you. Can't you see it? And guess what? We're not sustaining a middle class anymore. Why? Because we're not creating small businesses anymore. They just took the Dodd-Frank bill, thank God, our president, and he got rid of all those Dodd-Frank rules because they were killing small businesses. Because the idea of Dodd-Frank and Obama, the three of them got together and said, let's put all these rules, regulations on the banks a person's going to go to borrow money to start a business. Well, screw them. So you couldn't get money to start a business for years. So small businesses is the backbone of our country. Because remember, small businesses, especially startups, provide 72% of our jobs. And who is this? Who starts these? Who borrows money? The middle class. Because the middle class, they have more disposable income. Not the working poor, but the middle class does. Yes, the rich have more disposable income, but they take their money and put in a pile of the rest of their money. They never use their money. They don't create jobs, the rich. It's the middle class who creates jobs by creating small businesses. But we're not creating small business anymore because our middle class is shrinking. Because guess what? They're losing their jobs, the middle class, the manufacturing jobs. They're emptying bedpans right now. It's unbelievable. Think about that. The entire economy since 2009 has been subsidized and propped up by cheap money. But nobody wants to listen to it. And by debt expansion. I talk about it every day. We got historic household debt. We got historic national debt. Our country is negative $20 trillion. We're in a hole, but nobody wants to talk about it. As long as people can go out and buy stuff with a credit card, they don't care that our country is upside down. We're in a hole, $20 trillion. We're bankrupt. Thank God we got a printing machine. But this is all going to catch up to everybody. That's why it's important to join my gang. Because the day the market crashes, we're going to be way out in front. We'll already be positioned for the crash. If they're going to come in and drop rates to zero and try to push the market up for another 6 months or get beyond the election, 2020, we'll be in a position to take advantage of that. Oh, they lied to us about inflation. Isn't that amazing? No inflation. The stock market goes up 320 to 350%, but there's no inflation? How the hell can you say that when the stock market went up at least 330% using average? They say best wages yet ever. What a lie that is. Best wages ever. That's not true at all. Matter of fact, if you go and take a look at your wages right now, sure, you're getting a bigger check, but adjusted for inflation, the purchasing power of your dollar is the same as it was in the 80s. In 1980, if you're making $4, the purchasing power of that is the same today. You're not getting ahead anywhere. For every $1 our government takes in revenue, it spends $2. They're nuts. So they're as bad as consumers. They're putting everything on their credit card. But join my gang, and we'll make sure, no matter which way the market goes, we're going to do just fine. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang now. Phil's gang. Please remember St. Jude. Hey, see you on the charts.